Hey y'all, KNG every day, and we're about to drive over Skyline Drive that's outside of Canon City, Colorado to search for dinosaur fossils. And yes, this was built in 1905 and by inmates. Pretty cool place. So, yep, I'm scared of heights. You will hear that in this video. Here we go, y'all. It's one way. It says no U-turn. All right. Let's hope that it...
Limited vehicles.
Oh, so there's pull-offs. Like here's a pull-off.
Limited vehicles to 20 foot.
There's the view.
Probably way back when, it's probably you could go both ways, but entering Hogbacks, open space, recreation area. Yeah, there's plenty of pull-offs.
Oh, look, yep. Oh, y'all, we're way down here. Look down here.
Did you bring the spare tire?
No, but we had to buy one.
That's kind of weird.
Whoa! You know, you can. It's straight down over here. Seriously? No! Stop! Ain't even funny. How do I get talked into this?
I don't know. It's still better than the $1 million highway. That's like.
Oh my goodness, y'all! We're on the freaking edge.
We're not on the edge.
Yes, we are. Look down there.
Got a long ways to go to the edge.
Those cars are like tiny. Oh my goodness.
It'll be okay.
No. Somebody behind us?
No.
What's this say?
Shared the road.
Oh.
People ride their bicycles up here too, I guess. I don't know why they call it the hogback.
I don't either.
But you can look at the old ridges of the rocks up there.
Let's throw the window down and see better. What a view. One of these pull-offs we'll have to pull over a little bit. Well, maybe not. We don't have to pull over. That's all right. I can get my view right here. Look at that.
Pull over.
That's so good. Oh my, seriously, that's straight up. That's okay. That is seriously, oh my goodness.
There's some people walking.
Look at the road.
Look at these purple rocks. Isn't that weird? That's purple.
Okay. Those are weird, but...
Glad we saw this. I've seen it before.
I've never seen it. There's somebody walking up here. Oh, here's a pull-off up here. That's where they came from.
Came back to read the plaques.
Yeah.
Oh, dinosaurs. Dinosaur tracks.
Oh.
Go back and see dinosaur tracks?
Yeah.
They should have had a better place to park back there. Park on this side or?
I don't care.
Yeah, you do. Don't lie.
That's good enough. I don't like heights. Here comes the car. So these knobs, these balls or whatever, are supposed to be, I think is what they're talking about, it's supposed to be.
Yeah, so if you look at them, they have like that one there has like a middle toe coming out. All these have like indentations. It's kind of like that when they walk through the mud, they left the indentation and then something came in there, made them solid, then everything below washed away.
Kind of cool. That one right there looks the most to me. You can see like, looks like toes or something. So they're all down through here. That's pretty cool. That one right there you can really kind of tell. So they're all down through here. Here's our view. We're going up, and then I guess we're going to go down. I'm scared of heights. Somehow I get talked into this stuff.
You didn't bring your bike, did you?
No. All right, here we go. What's the name of this? Skyline Drive. Skyline something. Skyline Drive?
Yep, outside Canon City.
Look at this. Straight off on either side. This crap is not, stuff's not funny, man. I get talked into this. Oh, you never know.
Just focus where we're...
Yeah, wants me to focus.
Wonder how fast we can go.
Oh my, no, this ain't funny. Seriously, it is straight down.
Well, if no big rock can fall over and hit us, knock us over.
Yeah, you think this is funny? I don't know how I get talked into this stuff.
We could have walked.
I would have rather walked.
Oh, it'll be all right. It'll be okay.
Oh my good, look at this. You can't see it because the windshield's all blurred. Look at right behind. Straight down. Oh my goodness.
Like a roller coaster.
Yeah, we let everybody go in front of us. Everybody ran off and left us. It really is straight down over there. I'm not kidding you. We're going, I don't know where we're going.
Going to the end.
We should have cleaned our windshield. Straight off that away. There's houses all over there. Why would someone want to? Why would they make this road?
Because they could.
Yes, they could.
Parking area half a mile ahead. So we got half a mile at least more to go.
I'm closing my eyes. Oh my God, seriously. Let's see, yeah.
People did burnouts up here. Look at that.
Yeah, well, they can go ahead and do their burnouts. Let's let them do their burnouts.
So you can see a long ways down there.
Yeah, you think? I don't know what all that dirt is up there. I would not do this, no motorcycle. There's a motorcycle ahead of us. There is no way. Oh, we're at a parking lot. It is pretty. But if you're scared of heights, so here's where you can.
Looks like they're mining stuff over there.
That must be what they're doing.
Quarry or
Yeah. Now we're going down, thank goodness.
on the downhill side.
So one of these days I've got to get a holder for the phone. I actually looked for one, but it didn't work exactly like I wanted it.
No, it didn't work out too well. There's some old buildings down there.
Where?
On this side of the road. Clear down at the bottom.
That's probably the prison.
No, the prison's ahead of us.
Oh, that's what I was talking about.
I don't know.
We're going to the prison.
We can make a fast trip down there if you want to.
We're going by the prison. Is that the prison down there?
Yeah.
That is the prison. At least it's paved.
Yeah, imagine going up here on this gravel.
Mm-mm.
People come up here in their Model A's and little putt-putt cars. this corner.
Oh my goodness. You go slow. Oh, you can really go slow. Really?
Oh yeah, and what was that mountain in Arkansas you took me up? Pettigene? That corner's like
That's
that?
different. I was driving.
Oh, that's okay.
That's Canon.
Are
What
these
is it?
little hogbacks? I think is what these little hills
Look, there's
are.
an old house down there. They're called what?
Hogbacks, I think these little.
Why do they call them hogbacks?
They look like a hog's back.
Oh, those is what he's talking about. Looks like a hog. Okay. They do kind of look like a hog.
They interesting formations.
No, but look at this old house down here.
There's a big old school or something.
That's
big
what it
red
is, a
brick
school or
building.
something. I'm sure there's hiking all through here, you know.
Yeah. Hiking and biking and oh my. No, I didn't look and see where we end up. We'll find it. We'll
We
figure it
don't. You know what? We just end up where we always end up, which is wherever we end up.
out. That's pretty profound.
Well. Oh. Yeah. That'd be nice if you went in a little bit.
Went in, what?
These do look like hogbacks.
Yeah, they got the little fuzzy hair on them. And there's rock formations on the top. That's kind of weird.
Look, that one's got like a backbone.
Yeah.
This one, let me show you. Hang on. That one right there. Looks like it's got a backbone. I guess you hike through here.
Yeah. Now we're on the two-way road. So.
Yeah, the worst is over. We're almost to it. There's hiking trails.
Hiking trails all over there.
Well, it looks like we're at the end. Here's the stop sign. Thanks for watching. Hey, we'll see you later, Gator.